Alrighty, welcome back. Got my '05 Infiniti G35 up on stands, getting ready to do some headers. This seems like it's going to be a project and a half. I'm going to try and doing it without dropping the subframe. I believe I can. I believe there's enough space back there for me to drop both headers without having to do too much interference. I've read up on the line, read up on the forums. I've watched pretty much every video that there is. It's similar to the not the G35, the Nissan 350Z. Exact same motor, exact same engine bay. So what works for this will work for that. But basically, start by removing your cold air intake or your intake, what have you. And pretty much on the driver's side, I remove the coolant lines. So you're going to drain your coolant, remove the lines. To give you a little bit of added extra space, you're going to want to drop the AC compressor if you still have it. It's one bolt up top, two long bolts on the bottom. Those are kind of a pain because you can't get them all the way out at once. And coming over to the passenger side, I believe I can get it out too the same way I'm going to do the driver's side. I just got to drop this coolant pipe, get rid of the heat shield, which we all know, rusty, trusty bolts. But I got it ready for that because I had to do it to the passenger side. There it goes. Works wonders. Fuck you, rusty bolts. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. More to come later. I'm going to be replacing the O2 sensors anyway, so I'm not even going to try and take them out. There's no real ever point in taking out an O2 sensor. Just replace the damn things. It's not worth the hassle. But yeah, I'm going to drop these out. Put the headers on, put my test pipes on, hook it up to my HKS exhaust. And we should be golden. Alright guys. Stay tuned.